It's a family crisis that's unfolding in real time. A mother is patting her 10-month-old baby boy on the back after he starts choking on a piece of pancake. Major Hillard had a device in his car called a LIFEVAC, which he suctioned to little Gabriel's mouth. After several plunges of the device, a miracle. Mom and Dad embrace in relief.
I received the LIFEVAC a couple days earlier than I expected. Had I known I was going to get this today, I would have just combined yesterday's video with this one. But since I received it early and I still haven't processed the return for the generic one yet, I can do a great comparison of these two right now. Unboxing the LIFEVAC one, it's quite nice. I bought the travel version where it comes with this case. You can also buy the home version where I think they just give you it in a bag like this. And I already took this out earlier to see. The first thing I noticed was the quality. It's completely night and day. This handle is a lot thicker. And let me just take out the generic one again so you can see the differences. And look at this handle compared to this handle. Can you see the differences? Yeah. I mean, the size, this one's a lot smaller than this one, but the handle and just the feel of it, both of them in the hand, you can tell that this one is very, very cheap. And it just feels like something, the grade of something that would use to maybe unclog a toilet or something. I'm not sure, but it just doesn't feel good. This one, however, you can feel that there's a valve that's shaking, and that valve is this little ball. Can you see that? Yes, there's a little ball right there, and that's the check valve. That is what's going to prevent air from getting inside this chamber every time you pump. This one, on the other hand, see, no valve at all. It's just like this wiggle. And in my previous video yesterday, I was turning this around on the LIFEVAC. It doesn't move. It doesn't move. If it doesn't move, that means it has a much more permanent sealing area around the yellow and this accordion place, right? And if you have something that moves like this, for sure air is going to seep through every time you do a pump. And you'll notice the difference between the LIFEVAC and this one here is that the LIFEVAC is hollow right in the middle here. This one has the valve right in the middle here, whereas the valve is on the outside. So if I stick in the LIFEVAC's mask here, right away I can tell it's not going to fall off. It's very secure. This mask feels a lot more well made compared to the generic brand. And here's the key difference. Watch. You see that? There's a huge suction. Watch this. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but there's like, it makes my throat gurp, like that. This one for sure is gonna work. Now, let's just test the generic one again. You can feel a big difference between this one and the LIFEVAC version. And just to test it out again, look how easy this falls out. The valve is in the middle here. And watch this. I hope you can tell just from my lips that there's completely no suction there. This will not save any lives. LIFEVAC. Oh. I can feel the air just coming out of my throat. So, spend the money, get the better one. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video where I'm doing the comparison of the LIFEVAC and the generic version. Make sure if you buy this device, buy the LIFEVAC version. This will not save any lives, okay? I don't know why this is still listed on Amazon. It should just be completely thrown away, really. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.